Hey guys, it's me, Damani. Um, so today I'll be singing "If I Were a Boy" by Beyonce. Sorry if the music flow, it's just my computer. It's stupid. So, here we go. Even just for a day, I would have been in the morning. So when I am there. The guy you take that the girl I can tell you I want it and I will come inside the world. Take a stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I would understand. I would feel the love of God. I swear I'll be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know I hurt. When you look around you want it, love is taking you for granted. In everything you have to share. If I were a boy, I would stand on my friend. I put myself first, then I will let it go. 'Cause I know she'll keep me faithful, waiting for me to come home. Come home, it's our boy. I think I could understand. Oh, how it feels to love a girl. I still be a better man. I listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts. When you lose the one you wanted, she's putting you for granted. Leave everything you want to show. It's a little too late, baby. Let's go back. It's a little mistake. I feel keeping around. And when you go away from you, you go wrong. And you just a boy. You don't understand. So understand. Oh, how it feels to love a girl. Say, wish you would have been a man. You don't listen to her. You don't know her. Till you lose the one you wanted. Till he took you her for granted. In everything you have got to be sure. You're just a girl. I hope you guys like it and comment down there for any tips or anything like that. So, love, peace, and happiness. This is